Now let's move on to the second equation to be solved. The same way I have divided my page into reactant and products, and I have written the elements on the left side. Now first I am going to write, before balancing the equation, how many atoms are there in each element. In reactants there are 2 nitrogen and 2 oxygen. In the product side there are 2 nitrogen but 5 oxygen. Now if we see, the nitrogen is balanced as it has 2 atoms in the reactant side and 2 atoms in the product side. Whereas in case of oxygen there are 2 atoms in the reactant side and 5 atoms in the product side. So we will take an LCM of 2 and 5, which comes out to be 10. So now first I need to multiply this with 5 to make it 10, and similarly I will multiply this with 2 to make it 10. Now here I multiplied my oxygen into 5, so I will first write 5 here, okay, and here because I multiplied the oxygen into 2, so I will first write 2 here. Now because we have to multiply with the whole molecule, this 2 molecule will make number of nitrogen into 2 into 2, 4, okay. And now my oxygen is balanced. I have 10 atoms of oxygen in the reactant side and 10 oxygen in the product side, but my nitrogen has become unbalanced. There are 2 atoms in the reactant side and 4 atoms in the product side. So I will first take an LCM for both of these, which comes out to be 4. I will multiply this with 2 to make it 4 atoms, and since I have multiplied nitrogen here with 2, I have to multiply here also. Now let's quickly check if our equation is balanced. 2 into 2, 4 nitrogen in the reactant side, 2 into 2, 4 nitrogen in the product side. 5 into 2, 10 atoms of oxygen in the reactant side, and 5 into 2, 10 atoms of oxygen in the product side. That means our equation is balanced, and we are going to present it this way. 2N2 plus 5O2 will give me 2 molecules of N2O5. I hope this helps, children.